Hello, this is a follow-up video on Schwinn Moab that I previously posted before I did the work on it. And here it is, almost finished. Put some time and effort into it, and wanted to show the follow-through of the original bike, which I had in poor condition, and this is it, how it turned out. So if you have any comments, just rate me on them. And one guy had wrote there was a between $700 and $800 bike, this one that he had, and he liked it. So this one's a good little bike, small frame. So thanks very much.